guys, welcome back once again to another of my videos. Today I'm going to do a what's on my iPhone X. I asked you guys on Instagram because I didn't know if what's on my iPhones were still relevant, but they are because you guys voted yes, and I'm super excited to get to it. But before I do, please make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and turn my post notifications on so you'll get notified every time I post a new video every week. And also make sure that you are following me on my Instagram page in order to see more of my day-to-day life and be participant of these polls I make. And without any further ado, let's just jump into what's on my iPhone X 2019. So before I get started telling you guys and showing you guys every app that I use and what's inside my iPhone, I need to actually show you what cover I'm using. And this is the OtterBox cover, and to be honest, I've had an OtterBox cover ever since I first got my first iPhone. I can assure you this is literally the best iPhone case that you will ever find. I mean, every time that my phone falls off my hand or anywhere else, my heart does not skip a beat because I know that it's fine thanks to OtterBox. This is not sponsored by OtterBox in any way or shape or form. Like, I wish I was sponsored by OtterBox, but to be honest, this is my personal and honest thought of OtterBox. The case, even though like your phone is a little bit like more thick when I use the OtterBox cover, I think that's a small price to pay for protecting your phone 100%. So I'll try to like link my iPhone cover on the description box so you guys could go and check it out and see if you want to buy it, or if you're looking for a phone case, you can go check it out as well. The prices, I have to be honest, they are not cheap. Like, they're not gonna be $12, $20. Like, I think this iPhone case was $30 something, but I think like 30 or 40 is like the range of their prices. So yes, that's all for my iPhone cover, and now let's go on to describing and showing you guys everything that I have on my iPhone X. Okay guys, so this is my iPhone wallpaper that I have, like my iPhone background, and it's a quote that says, the biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. And I think this is such a positive thought that you can see every time that you reach for your phone, and I love it so much. But now let's just unlock this phone, and this is like the main screen. My home background is basically a pink color shade, like a pink color, just because I don't like having crazy things on the background because it doesn't let me see like the apps really well. So I just prefer a plain background. The first thing that I see here is my calendar, and today is March 3rd, like the day that I'm filming this, and I can already see my birthday peeking up, and it's on April 15th. So make sure that you guys write that on your calendar down because I'm gonna be 22 and I'm so excited. But then after, well, next to that calendar, I have the photos, and I'm gonna give you guys like a little sneak peek to all my photos. This one I love. This one I also love. So yeah. Now there's the camera. This is basically like what I'm seeing right now, which is not cute, so we'll just skip that. Then we have the YouTube app, and here it is. This is my YouTube channel, so I need to go ahead and self-promo again. If you guys are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure that you do so you don't miss any of my videos, and I have a few notifications on. So next we have the App Store, which is just boring, and we have Facebook and Messenger, which I'm not gonna open, you know, because of privacy reasons. And now we have the YouTube Studio app, and this is where I see all your comments and answer you guys' comment, which I haven't done that today, so I need to go ahead and do that in just a second. But I'm going to scroll down to see, and well, to show you guys, to see if you find yourselves here. I try to reply to every single comment, and I am succeeding at it, so make sure that you comment something on this video and I will definitely reply to you. Then we have the settings it's not even an app, so it's just settings, which I'm not gonna open because it's just boring. Then I have Amazon. Then I have my notes, which I'm not gonna open, you know, because I have like personal things there. But now we have the mail, and then we have Instagram right here, and here it is, my Instagram page. Ooh, thank you guys for liking my photo. This is basically my Instagram page, and I don't know why, but this photo got so much engagement. Like, I have 469 likes, which is like the most likes I've ever gotten, so thank you guys for that. I love this photo as well. Ooh, my makeup on this, I still cannot believe that I freaking did that. Like, wow. But yeah, this is my Instagram username. I'm so excited that I can't even talk. And it's Fabiola Suárez with a T. So yes, now we have a folder that's called Instaplan. But basically, like, the first row that you see here, like Unfold, Mojo, and Story Art, is basically what I use to create aesthetic Instagram stories. And then the second column is basically what I use to edit my pictures. The app that I always use to edit my pictures is Lightroom CC, and it's free. Then I have the Preview app, which is basically like a little app that you can see and plan your Instagram feed before you actually post it. So I'm gonna give you guys like a little sneak peek of what I'm posting. Then we have Snapseed by Google, which is a place where I just edit like my photos and stuff as well. I don't use it that often, but I just have it just in case. Then I have Fonto, Canva, and WordSwag, which are basically apps that I use to make my YouTube thumbnails. And then we have the app Followers, and you can basically see in this app like the people that unfollow you, like the people that you're not following back, the people that are not following me back. And then I have the app Telegram, which is basically an app where you could just chat with friends or chat with other people. Then we have Pinterest, and this is where I plan all of my life. These are some of the pins that I've saved. Ooh, I have a notification. But these are my boards. I have my photo shoot board, which is basically like photos of only myself. Then we have the fashion board, which I get some fashion inspiration from, and I also have like some pics of myself here, but these are just basically fashion inspiration. Then we have the travel folder. Let's see, like some travel inspiration and stuff, like cute photos. Such beautiful photos here. Oh, this one is my favorite. After that travel folder, I have my quotes folder, and you know, some quotes to get you inspired and motivated. After that folder, I have my pics to take photos, which are pics that will serve as inspiration to the pics that I actually want to take. Then we have the Fur Friends folder, which is basically just animals, pets. You can never go wrong with that. Then we have the seasons and holiday folder, and I divide it into the four seasons, which are spring, autumn, summer, and winter. And I have like some pictures to get inspired from each category. Then we have the wedding, and you know, and when I get married, I will definitely go back to this folder and try to find like the dress that I want, so, and like find a similar one, obviously. Then we have some house inspo photos. We have the dining room, patio, living room, bedroom, bathroom. Guys, I'm pretty sure you all noticed that I'm super organized with literally everything. So then we have some makeup inspiration, and then we have relationships and family, hairstyles, jewelry, cute tattoos, yum yum, which is basically like recipes and foods. And then we have Apple vibes. So, and then next to Pinterest, I have what's called Gmail, and that's the actual mailbox that I use for my business. Then we have Famebit and Heartbeat, which are basically just apps that you can get campaigns and work with work with brands over there, which I haven't done yet. Like, I haven't actually gotten a sponsorship or sent a request, so I need to get to that. Then we have the app that's called Mi Claro, and that's basically what I use to pay my phone bill. Then we have WhatsApp, which is basically everything I use to text all my friends and family. Then I have Ate Ashten Mobile, and this is basically how can I explain it? It's a way that you transfer money to friends and family. It's like a PayPal. And I have the finance, which is basically like PayPal, and Mi Banco, which is just like finance things and where I keep my money on order and how I track my money and stuff. Then I have a Netflix, which is so awesome, and I think getting Netflix is the best thing that I've ever done for myself, because I didn't have Netflix till like last year, but I'm currently rewatching Gossip Girl, and it's so sad because I'm almost freaking done again, but it's so sad. I really want to cry. But some of my favorite Netflix series are The Office, The Vampire Diaries, the originals. I also like Elite, Money Heist, which is awesome. Oh, Big Mouth, I love. Riverdale, obviously, The Flash, but Stranger Things. Ooh, To All the Boys I've Loved Before. I thought it was gonna be like a cliche movie, which is gonna be like predictable, but I honestly didn't think it was anything like that, and I loved it so much. But after Netflix, I have the CW app, which is basically like Netflix but for shows that are already aired, or that are already like they aren't on Netflix because like they're still on the TV. And the only 3 shows that I watch here are Riverdale, The Flash, and Legacies. Like, those are the only 3 shows that I watch on the CW app, but you have tons of different shows here, and I highly recommend it. I only use like Netflix and the CW to watch like all my shows. And then over here I have the Safari, then I have the phone, the messages, and then I have podcasts. And the podcasts that I've been loving lately are Don't Blame Me with Megan Rinks, the Influencer Podcast with Julie Solomon, What We Said with Chelsea and JC Marie, and The Lavender Style. Let's see what other shows. Oh, Pretty Basic, I love. They're Actually Challenge, The Raisin Brand, Video Creators. Like, those are my favorite podcasts to listen to. So I highly recommend each and every one that I mentioned. Then on the next page on my iPhone are just folders, and well, some of them are folders. And then we have like the music folder right here. Basically I have like all my music in there. I have Shazam, which is basically, if you have not like heard of Shazam, this is actually so good, because like I just use Shazam for every time that I'm in the radio, well, not in the radio, like in the car listening to the radio, or if I'm at a store and then a music comes up like in the store or whatever, and I don't know like what's the name or what's the artist, I just press this button and it actually like starts listening to that song, and it gives you like the name of the song and the artist. So it's a great way to just find songs that you don't know like where they're from or who's it from. And obviously it says no result because I'm just talking and I'm not a song. So that's something I highly recommend for you guys that love listening to music. Then we have the travel folder right here, and I have the Uber, Airbnb, and weather apps. Then I have maps and Google Maps over here. Then we have the video folder, and this is just like video things, like video apps or stuff that help me like make my voice for my videos and stuff, but I don't really use that much. We have iMovie that comes with the iPhone. We have Camera Connect, which is basically like the camera that I'm filming right now has like Wi-Fi, so you can actually with a press of a button just pass the photos and videos from the camera to my iPhone, and you can use that with this app if it's obviously Canon. Then I have the voice memos, which is basically what I use to record. Well, not my videos, just record other people, like my professors and stuff. Then I have clips, which I haven't actually used before. Then we have the productivity folder, and I basically have everything that has to do with books and documents and Word and PowerPoint, just like productivity things. I have the dictionary over here, the calculator, the QR reader as well. Then I have Sephora, which is the place where I love shopping for makeup, but it's like super expensive. So next I have Luca and Gray, which is Aspyn Ovard's clothing store, and I haven't actually bought anything from them yet, but I definitely want to because their clothes are so freaking pretty, and like I love everything that they have here. I love this top so much. But yeah, let me just stop Fabiola, because then I'm going to get obsessed and I'm going to buy stuff. So, and I can't because I'm broke. Then I have the Walmart app. So for my Walmart app, I basically use it to just use the savings catcher and save money when I buy at Walmart. Then I have the Burger King app, which is basically an app where you have a bunch of coupon codes. Then I have the app Social Blade, which is basically an app where you can see like your real-time subscriber count. So that's my page, and those are my subscribers as of now. But then over here I have mostly apps and folders that I don't really use, so I'm going to go like quickly over them. This is like the last page of this what's in my iPhone. So here I have some shops. I have the Paxton shop, the Kindle shop from Amazon, where you can read and hear books. Then I have Zaful, and then I have the Apple store. Here I have apps where I back up my phone and my photos. Then I have the others folder, which are basically apps that I don't really use, but the iPhone comes with them. And then I have the mobile admin, which is what I use to do my to schedule my classes every semester. And then I have the Bitmoji, which I love using. No, I don't want to. But this is like my this is like my character. It's so fun to just like style and stuff. So this is me. But yeah, I think that's basically it for what's in my iPhone. Okay guys, so that's it for what's on my iPhone video. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. I had tons of fun like filming this video and actually like going into depth of what I have on my iPhone. So I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Please make sure to leave me down below any apps that you are using that I don't have here and you think it will be useful for me. And also make sure, once again, that you are following me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you like this video if you want me to do like more of these types of videos. But yeah guys, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!